What's up, guys? Sorry, it's been a little while since I made a video, but Christmas break has been amazing. I did so much, like really. But today we are going to be doing a beautiful song. I can only imagine. It's spectacular. You guys are going to love it. Okay, before we begin, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button for more videos. Yeah, let's do this. So first is I can only imagine what it would be like. So I can only imagine. Think that idea. So imagine what it will be like. The B is not always necessary. I just add it if there's extra time most of the time. When I walk by your side. So when I walk, you can either do walk or you can do walk. It's just whatever your preference is, I guess. Sorry, it's still pretty late. Or not still, but it is pretty late, so I can't really do it in a good spot. But it's been a while, so. I can only imagine what my eyes will see. So I can only imagine what my eyes will see. When your face is before me. So when your face, because it's talking about God. So your face is before me. So I'm trying to think of a way to say this. ASL songs, almost like a dance, but like a very planned out dance. You can change things, but at the same time you can't. I feel like that was a great explanation, but also terrible. His face is before me, so his face is before me. Yeah, I like that. His face is before me. Perfect. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory. So, okay, surrounded by your glory. So, like, surrounded. It's everywhere. So, it's surrounded. Almost like, think of the video when we would tell everybody. So, surrounded by your glory. So, it's flat hand. Take this, the number 8. This. Glory. Yeah. Glory. So it's surrounded by your glory. What will my heart feel? So what will my heart feel? Heart feel. You could also do heart like this or like this. I'll pick this because it's easier. Heart feel in the middle of your chest. Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or, yeah. Will I dance for you, Jesus? You could always do a question mark. You don't have to. Make sure you get those eyebrows. Will I? It won't make any sense if you don't. Or in all of you be still. Or in awe. So it's like, almost like awesome, but it's just awesome. Like way up here. Awe of you be still. Will I stand in your presence? So presence is like both hands and then go room. Bam. Or to my knees will I fall. Okay, now the knees I found was terrible. So again, we're going to do or, but it's also but, you know. Or to my knees. So, knees. Will I fall? Or you can do fall. Whichever one. I like this one because it just looks more like a real sign instead of a make-believe thing, you know? Except the knees one sucks. So, I don't really know about that. Will I sing hallelujah? So you could always do question mark first and then will I sing hallelujah. Okay, so sing, or you don't have to have that little arm, but I don't know. Sing hallelujah is, man, I'm really tired. Sorry. Hallelujah. So it's clap. This is an X, right? Yeah, X. Yes, okay. X, and be like this. So clap, 2 X's in a circle, going the opposite way, you see? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? So, question mark, will I be able to speak at all? Like, I don't know. I don't explain that use of wording. So it says done. So it's like, at all, like, will I be able to speak at all? Like, will I be able to speak at all? Just, yeah, that makes sense to me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when that day comes. I can only imagine when that day comes. When I find myself standing in the sun. The lyrics I found are like messing up the words. It's weird. Okay. When I find myself standing in the sun. So, yeah. It's the sun. I can only imagine when all I would do is forever. So, I can only imagine when all I would do is forever. Forever worship you. I can only imagine, I can only imagine. Okay, so the rest we've already gone over. Awesome. Sorry the video wasn't the greatest, but tired. And I just need to get something out for you guys. Okay, let's do this with the music.
I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when that day comes and I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I would do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine, yeah. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory,
I did have to cut that video short because the song was really long. It was like 4 or 5 minutes. And it just repeated I Can Only Imagine over and over again. So, I had to do what I had to do. Sorry I messed with my hair so much in the video. I don't know, my hair gets this certain way. I just feel like I gotta touch it. It's weird. I know, but whatever. Okay, so, yeah. Hope that helped. It was I Can Only Imagine by Mercy Me. Awesome. Like and subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Any suggestions, leave them down below. Awesome. Okay. Oh, also remember, this is PSE, not exact ASL. It is using American Sign Language, but it's not using the grammar and the Steinix, something like that. Awesome. Okay. Love you guys. Okay. Bye. So I'm pretty sure I messed up a little bit in the music part when I was doing it to music. Because I haven't done it very many times, so it confused me. So just thought I'd put that out there. But all the tutorials and the instructions are there, so if you know I make a mistake, you'll see it. Mm-hmm.